dude. 4 hits. 4 hits for that. Alright. Oh my god. Father, Alus, my son, I have been under the minister's control for so long. Father, it's not your... I do not deserve forgiveness, nor do I expect it. Just know that your return has saved me. My soul is now freed from that torturous hold. Alus, please, you must take your rightful place on the throne and bring peace to Saronia once more. Ugh. Father, I love you, my son. Your Highness, you have my thanks, Marcus. Like a fool, I doubted my father's love. You're not a fool, you clearly loved him. I will assume the throne as the rightful king of Saronia, as was my father's wish. Without your help, Gilgamesh crimes would never come to light. Thank you. All hail to King Alus. Thank you, brave warriors. Alus left the party.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British Grenadiers.